we've played together for a number of years. She's very passionate about her netball. She's knowledgeable. She's always willing to learn. And when the position became open, by the way, I've been trying to get her to apply for a position. You should do it. You're very good. And she said, no, not ready for that. I don't have the time to commit to that. But when the position became vacant, I didn't ask. When it became vacant, she raised her hand and she said, yes, I'm ready. I'm pleased to announce the new head coach of the Sunshine Girls team. It's Sasher-Gaye Henry. And ably assisting her will be Mr. Keyon Murdock.
Let me just say a big thank you to Netball Jamaica, for entrusting me with the responsibility to lead the team, with the team behind the team. So thank you very much. I want to make special mention to those persons who have served before me. We have a great legacy as a player, playing at all levels, and a coach also. We have set a high standard for netball, which is the highest ranking team sport in Jamaica. And definitely for me, I would love to improve on that. So Connie Francis did an extremely wonderful job in terms of improving the ranking at our Commonwealth Games. And for me, I would just love to have the right team. I definitely know we're going to have the right team to improve on that legacy.
I have great thoughts for the future. I need to run them by Sasha. Again, she's now the boss, so whatever thoughts I have to filter through her for decisions to be made. And so I'm happy. I'm looking forward to the journey. I'm excited about what the girls will bring to the table as we try to do better than we've done before, and we're on the right path, I think.